Mounted by Nigeria Police Force, FCT Command, Abuja. Made up of 5 NCOs, 1 people. Commanded by Force Number 4954442. Sergeant Amoke Chibri. Start! Come up! Ready for inspection, sir!
We have 8 of them here. Awal Yusuf, who is an ex-convict and escaped from Kuje prison. He came out to turn to robbery. Ismail Ahudu is here. Sylvester Poto. Poto has been a notorious one who has been on wanted list. He's here. Abdulsalam Mahmouda is here. Sunday Udoma, alias Akede. Most of the people that have been robbing, everybody, the name is Akede, is here. Ifoma Ngozi Obodo is equally here. A partner, strongest partner. She has been in this one chance for a very long time. She's here. Muhammad Telebwe is here, alias Chocolate. Is a well-known member of one chance robbery that has been operating in FCT very freely, with the wife, Sarah Muhammad Telebwe. 2 of them are partners in husband and wife. They are in crime. They are here, sir. Acting further on credible intelligence, the suspects who were responsible for activities of the past one chance robbery are all here. The few ones that are remaining, we have given them a few days to pick all of them up, sir. Arrest of the most wanted kidnappers, Your Excellency. In a space of yesterday, day before yesterday we started it. Yesterday we rounded them up, and this group, Usman Muazu, what is Usman Muazu? Usman Muazu is here. That's the leader. Aliu Mohammed. Aliu Mohammed. Okay. Get up. Awal Lahiru. Awal. Rabi Usane. Sit down. Saminu Idris. Jonah Elimilechi. Madina Abubakar. Your Excellency, it will interest you to note these 2 ladies here. 2 of you to stand up. They came and collected part of the ransom, this ransom here, 2 million naira, where they are sharing the money. Their own share is each of them 2 million. They said they are collecting it for their husband's share. They are here. This group are responsible for the kidnap at the Federal Mortgage Housing Estate in Kabusa. They have finished, they have confessed to that, Your Excellency. They are responsible for the kidnap in Cote village, Fulani resident, where the Alhaji Sani, many people know the area is a popular place. They are responsible. They are responsible for the kidnap of a gate man and her madam in Kabusa Estate. They are equally responsible for the kidnap of Mr. Sunday Zakwai and 4 others. Mr. Sunday Zakwai, the district head, they killed him. They have equally confessed that, Excellency. They are equally responsible for the kidnap. That was what led to our arresting them yesterday. The 2 staff of the Ministry of Defense, the Defense Estate kidnap. This is their work. And we recovered the sum of 9 million naira ransom from them. The money is here. They have in their cart. We recovered their guns. We have not finished. The husband of the other 2, that's the people that are remaining, were for us to complete their actions, sir. We are happy, Your Excellency, that you are here to see things for yourself. We recovered this bulletproof from the bulletproof vest. They have bulletproof vest. Look at it there. We recovered it from them. A locally fabricated walkie-talkie. We recovered it from them. And these AK-47s, we recovered it, sir. So, this is what we have completed doing yesterday, sir. To God be the glory. I still want to warn all criminals. Anyway, I told them yesterday that, Your Excellency, the command is very grateful. I was in the channels yesterday. I told them that you are even the security officer, the police officer of FCT, because he's going on visiting round. As we are going visiting round, His Excellency is equally going visiting round. He's going on patrol. And that has made us keep us on our toes. Your Excellency, the command is very grateful for your assistance, for the success so far achieved, Your Excellency. The police force is very grateful. And with your support, with your assistance, criminality will be stamped out of FCT. We have determined, we have the capacity to withstand them. We have the capacity to equally deal with them, Your Excellency. As you have been supporting us, we just needed more of your support. But these ones, there are even more. Before Friday, you will hear completion. We are now going beyond FCT because they believe that they can come to kidnapping FCT and run to Garamuse, Tafa, that is in Niger, and to go there and hide. Your Excellency, we have gone there. This morning we are going to Lapai, where they are hiding. Your Excellency, we want to read them off so that FCT can remain safe. God bless you, sir.
That is how Musa yawa ya ce wai ka taimaka mana sai mu samu mutane kaji by all means, even if they will not be getting anywhere. God bless you, sir.